I am just finishing up rolling out 2 sheets of pizza dough. Now, any kind of pizza dough would do. I want Pillsbury because it is my all-time favorite. Now, here I have some string cheese that I already opened up, and you can tell that I am just gonna line the string cheese right down the edges here of the pizza dough. So it looks like on this pizza dough, there's about 3 string cheese fitting on each side. Ooh, this is gonna be tasty. Now we have both those. What we're gonna do is you're gonna take the pizza dough, you're gonna roll it in twice on the one side, you're gonna roll it in on the other side. So both sides of the cheeses are being tucked in and you're rolling it up just like so. You're gonna do the same thing here. We'll roll it up in the front and then we'll roll it up in the back. Okay, perfect. So now we have these tightly rolled up pieces of dough with that cheese just tucked in it. We'll take our sharp knife and we'll quickly go through and we're just gonna slice this up, cutting the dough along with the string cheese into these little small bite-sized pieces. Ooh, doughy and cheesy. Oh, can't wait. Okay, once we have that all cut up, we're gonna bring our bowl right in. We'll just take all of that dough and that cheese. We're gonna throw it right here into our bowl, just like so, easy peasy. Now, here I have a little bit of melted butter. We'll pour that all in there. Ooh, some delicious melted butter. Then I have a little bit of minced garlic. I'll take my spoon. I'm just gonna throw in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. So good. And now here I have a little bit of onion powder. Oh, let's see, screw that off there. We'll sprinkle that right on top. Oh, I can see that cheese is gonna be really, really good. Now I'm gonna add a little Parmesan to that. A little Parmesan mixed in with that dough is gonna be delicious. We'll throw some of that in there. Look at this, moving along very quickly. Now I'm gonna throw in some fresh parsley. Ooh, this is gonna be so good for the dough. It's gonna bring some great color into these. You don't know yet what we're doing, but it's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, this cheesy pull apart dough. And I don't know what kind of pizza dough do you like, or have you ever made your own pizza dough at home? It is not too hard, but you know, any of these simple or easy ingredients, you are more than welcome to switch up for other things that you like instead. We are just moving really quick and fast around here, so we're choosing the easiest route, and that is how we are rolling today. That looks like plenty enough parsley. I love the way that looks. Now, you know what? I'm just gonna take my clean hands here and I'm just gonna come in and I'm just gonna knead this dough all together. The cheese, the butter, the parsley, the garlic, everything, look at that, is blossoming and it's getting mixed together. That's exactly what you want. So I think the best option is getting it with your hands, but you tell me, you choose. Just go ahead and mix that together till everything is nice and combined. Oh gosh, that smells so good. Okay, here we go. So we're bringing in our muffin tin and we're gonna take that super good cheesy dough that we just mixed together. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our hands and we're just gonna take some of those pieces of dough that we just mixed in, that were in that wadded ball, oh, like so. You can tell you're just gonna form it together and we're gonna stick it right in to the muffin pin. So that's easy peasy. So we're gonna take this dough right here, we're gonna get it into the ball. We have all of that cheese and goodness, and then we're gonna come right over here and put it in the muffin tin, and that's it. That's what we're gonna do all the way through, just creating this pull apart, super cheesy, delicious bread. Oh, what a great little finger food. You can serve this as an appetizer. I don't know, are you gonna stuff this with anything else? As always, you know, you guys, I wanna hear all about it. So we're just gonna go through and stuff these guys up. I want them overflowing with dough. We are not gonna be stingy around here tonight. All right, you guys, there we go. We have our muffin pans stuffed with delicious, cheesy, doughy goodness. And I can't wait to show you guys the way these turn out. We're gonna stick them in the oven at 400. They're gonna cook for about 20, 25 minutes, and stick around. You're gonna love this idea. Holy cow. Can we just take a moment, please, for these absolutely gorgeous, delicious, I don't know, what are we calling them? Cheesy, doughy, get in my belly. I don't know, that's what I'm saying. Look at the golden brown, the way the cheese is coming out. Oh, I can tell. I just wanna pick this one up right here. I love this about this, using that muffin tin. Look at that, and I'm just gonna take it right apart. Oh, look at the inside. Look at that cheesiness. It looks hot, it's steamy. Oh my gosh, though. Hot, steamy, but first let's try the crust part. Oh my God, there's a cheesy surprise in that piece even. Wow, that's good. Wow, that's good. Yum, you guys. The butter, the garlic, the onion, the parsley. That's all you need. Of course, you could throw so much in there. There's so much you could do with this. I want to hear all your thoughts, all your ideas, you guys. I'm scarfing down on this. Look at all that cheese everywhere in the pizza bread. Oh, it's like the best thing ever. Okay, I am scarfing down on this. Are you guys dipping in with it? I'm just going in. I'm all in. 10 out of 10, home run for this, you guys. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys later.